Hello friends, today I will share with you about empowering confidence, self-growth 6. This video will boost your self-confidence by showing how success shape your self-image, how small steps make a big difference and why self-reliance and happiness matter. Discover easy tips to grow your confidence and move forward in your personal and professional life. First, how success shapes our image. Success can make us look better to others. When someone is successful, people often overlook their weaknesses. This is similar to when a short person appears taller or an average looking person appears more attractive. Success changes people's view of us, focusing on our strengths and ignoring our flaws. So achieving success can boost our self-image, making our imperfections less noticeable and our good qualities stand out more. On the other hand, when you are not successful or going through tough times, even if you have many great qualities, people are more likely to focus on your shortcomings. Second, small steps, big results. Don't panic. Sometimes we avoid doing things because we feel we don't have enough time. We think time is going too fast and that scares us. The more afraid we are, the less we get done. But if you take small steps quickly, you will feel more confident. You will see that your fears were not real limitations. Taking actions, even small steps, shows you that you can do more than you think. Taking action helps you overcome fear and realize that time is not as limited as it seems. Just start, even with small steps, and you will see that you can succeed. Third, stay happy, stay strong. My dear friend, improve your personality by keeping calm and not wasting time arguing with everyone to prove yourself right. Giving too much time and respect to others can make them see you as less important. Be a person who keeps smiling even in difficult times and focus on living for yourself. Focus on making yourself happy instead of always trying to please others. It is easy to make others happy, but keeping yourself happy is one of the hardest things in life. People who learn to keep themselves happy become incredibly strong from within. When you master this skill, you grow and become stronger personally, which means that no one can take away your strength. Number 4. Find peace through self-reliance. Don't depend on others for everything like money, love or respect. Have confidence in yourself so that those who lost you will regret it. Your loved ones understand your feelings better than anyone else, and even strangers sometimes ask how you are. Standing up for what is right may upset some people because not everyone likes to hear the truth. To be happy, be self-reliant and don't depend on others for your happiness. Your actions show who you are. People with a kind heart may not have a lot of money, but they always feel at peace inside. Number 5. Believe in yourself. Dear friend, never stop believing in what you feel about yourself. I tell you one inspirational story. Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Maya who dreamed of becoming a public speaker. She had great ideas and a strong message but was terrified of speaking in front of an audience. Despite her fear, she knew she needed to overcome it to achieve her dreams. Maya's friends and family encouraged her to take a public speaking course. Even though she was nervous, she decided to give it a try. With each class, she learned new techniques and slowly started gaining confidence. She practiced tirelessly, even in front of small groups, and each time she spoke, she felt a bit more self-assured. One day, Maya was invited to speak at a local community event. She was still nervous, but she reminded herself how far she had come. When she stepped up to the podium, she took a deep breath and shared her message with the audience. To her surprise, the crowd responded positively and she received enthusiastic applause. Maya realized that the confidence she had built through practice and perseverance made all the difference. She learned that believing in herself and stepping out of her comfort zone were crucial to achieving her goals. From that day on, Maya continued to pursue her passion for public speaking. Her confidence grew with every speech she gave, and she inspired many others to believe in themselves too. Remember, self-confidence is the key to unleashing your true potential. First, you need to believe in yourself, then others will believe in you too. So, embrace your talent, listen to your heart, and never let self doubt get in your way. You are capable of amazing things. I hope you enjoyed this video on boosting your self confidence. If you found these tips helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content on personal growth. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos where I will share more valuable tips. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Keep smiling, stay positive, and enjoy every moment. Your journey to greatness begins now. Thank you.